Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin Focus on Characters. 我是 Maggie, 您好吗 If this is your first time to visit our channel, please subscribe. This is what we believe is the best way to learn Mandarin. Hook strokes. Last time, we looked at some basic strokes containing in the character 勇. Today, we are going to look at more strokes, and we will start with this character. In this character, two strokes has a hook. This character is 我, means I or me. You may wonder, why is I so complicated in Chinese comparing with just one letter in English word? This is a gesture of 我, two legs with a foot, shoulder, maybe two arms or sword, a bow, and an arrow. In fact, this character originally means a weapon is this. This appears in Oracle font, and this is later. Now let's look at how to write it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strokes. If we break down and practice, we will do this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strokes. But whatever you preferred order, I wouldn't mind, as long as I can recognize this word. There are quite few strokes has a hook. Let's look at all of them. First one is a vertical line with a hook. As we say in this character, 叮, 1 stroke, and then 2. It means a small piece, a surname, and also in classics, it means the 4th in ranking. 叮. Next one is also a straight vertical line, but the hook is to the right. So we just write a vertical line and a hook. The other one is tricky. It's a little bit bent then with a hook. So we will just give a little bit bend and then with a hook. You just need to make a difference with a straight line. Doesn't matter how much you bend. Now the other one, as we saw in the character I, 我, so we will just go straight away on the right and with a hook. This one we call name down hook. So we just beat flat a little bit and with a hook. So 1 stroke. The other one is a horizontal line with a hook like that. So 1 stroke. This one is going down and then going right and a hook. So we will write like that. This stroke is a combination of horizontal and vertical line, then hook. So just go straight and then with a hook. As we see in this character, 力, 1, 2, 2 strokes. It means force, power, and strength. 力. This stroke, you can also just write straight. Okay, so it's a 1 like this. And now this one. As we will say in this character, 1, 2, 2 strokes is 9, is number 9, 9. And then comes this one, it perhaps the most complicated stroke. So we just going down and then horizontal going down with a hook. Now here comes the other one, bit like a 3. We also just write once. And just remember the bottom bit is a bit curved here. And if you write here straight is also fine, but just here it's going with a hook. This one is very similar to the previous one. The subtle difference is the bottom part. That's just practice. So here, if you want to write straight, is also fine. But then you go down, and then you turn. Just the bottom bit is not so curved. But if you want to write different shape, is also fine. Okay, so when we put this in characters, you will find different people write differently. But the most important thing is the shape. It's similar like when we write English words. Did you know that without a hook, most of these also count as strokes? The nickname for Han characters is 方块字, means square character. As you can see that each character will use the same space, and we can put them in the same sized square box. The size of these strokes depends on how many strokes there are in one character. It needs to be a good balance. For example, this character is 习, means practice or study. And then in this character, 语 means further, contains 2 习. Therefore, they have to squeeze a little bit to use the same space. Let's write some characters. First one is 小. We will write from the center, vertical line with a hook, and then we will write left side, and then right side is 小, means small, little, and also young. Let's look at 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. This character, 心, 1, 2, 3, 4, means heart, center, and core. Please note this stroke we called laying down hook, like that. But sometimes you may see 心 showing as this. And this stroke is quite different to we just said this one. However, the whole shape is more important, so don't worry about the stroke. Once we learn these characters, we can make words. 小心, it means careful. 小心. And then you can put all these together. 我小心, it means I'm careful. 一心, one heart, concentrated. 二心, other intention. 三心, unconcentrated. Now let's just revise what we learned today. All strokes with a hook. The first one is straight with a hook, a little bit bent with a hook, then hook towards the right. The right hook, so it's like lean down and laying down and straight and turning. And then this one is horizontal with a hook, horizontal with a vertical line, and then you have some turns. And these two is similar, it's just the bottom one is going right or directly with a hook. So this one is going further and then with a hook. So they are different. And then these two is a bit slightly different is the bottom part. And here we will go further and straighter, not curved. And this one is curved. If you are interested in learning writing Chinese characters, you can look at my book, Writing Chinese Characters. In this book, I visualize the characters with images. And then you can practice step by step for about 40 characters. This book is now available at eBay. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. 谢谢，再见。 If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. See you next time.